These are our patent-pending PIM Armor panels, and they come in two standard sizes, a 2x2 or 24 inches by 24 inches, and a 4x2. Our PIM Armor panels are an industry game changer because they significantly attenuate PIM sources from behind the antenna, resulting from loose wire connections, disjointed metal contacts, rusting, and other PIM sources. What are the key benefits of our IsoTruss panels? Well, for one, general contractors and carriers love our panels because of their ease of installation. Without the mess or hassle of traditional paints, caulks, and tapes, our panels are solid structures that are directly installed behind the antenna. You can also take them off very easily if you need to adjust the positioning of the panels. You can also custom cut and fit them on site, just like this structure right here. These are what make our panels very easy to install and apply. The second benefit is that they're very durable. They're weather, rust, and waterproof. General contractors and carriers save money and time in the short and long term because of these benefits. In other words, there are no post-installation requirements. Unlike foams that degrade quickly, our PIM panels will outlast the antenna. You don't have to worry about replacement or maintenance costs down the road. The third benefit, they're very thin and lightweight. Whereas foams can be bulky and thick, these panels are thin and can fit limited spaces between the antenna and the metal poles. Along those same lines, general contractors love them because they can stack them in the back of their truck for purposes of timely and efficient inventory planning. The fourth aspect is that they're paintable to color match the requirements of the customers. And lastly, and equally important, while our panels are premium products, they're also priced competitively with existing solutions. In short, you resolve external PIM stemming from behind the antenna, and you maximize your uplink and downlink transmission and coverage. You make it easy for general contractors to address the problems they see on site, and you maximize your return on investment by minimizing your maintenance and operational costs and your dollar spent per dB reduction. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website at www.isotrust.com or call us at the number listed on the website. Thank you.